somebody on. Oh yeah, got a mackerel. It might be a skipjack. I thought it was a Dorado, but I think it's a skipjack. Big. Circle hooks, I know he's on. Oh, Dorado! Dorado! I don't know if you can hear me, but I got a fish on. It's a Dorado. I think he's been on for a little while. I didn't have the clicker on. I just noticed the line was moving. Yeah! Going crazy. Yeah! Hopefully getting tired. Trying to shake that hook. He's fighting it. Wow. Good fish though. I have struck out with Dorado this year, so hopefully I land this one. Actually, this trip. Oh, that's a good one too. It's a nice Dorado. Woo! You snagged? In the mouth. He's in the mouth. Definitely gonna have to gaff this one. There he goes. Nice fish. I'm gonna get you. No, not. No. Trust that uni knot right there. That's a nice one. He's tired. Reach. Got him. Okay, I'm gonna throw these baits out. There's a Botete puppers.